trying to spy you. You were talking to your sister over there. Hi, Riley. Hi, big girl. What?
That's what Ryan rolling.
Daddy's rocking and rolling?
Whoa!
Riley wants to talk to you, Kellen. Can you talk to her?
Yeah.
What are you going to say to her? Wow. You just fell. Can you kiss it?
Yeah.
Okay, bring it here. I'll kiss it.
Hands.
Mwah. I'll bet her.
Hand.
Oh, this side?
Yeah.
Mwah. I'll bet her. She's talking to you. Do you hear her? She's looking at you and talking to you.
I lay in there.
Yeah. Can you keep talking, Riley?
I like.
What are you saying? You saying good morning? Where's my brother? She wants to hold your hand, I think, Kellen. She's talking. Ooh, did she hiccup?
Yeah.
Okay, watch your legs, so be very careful.